everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny, and today we are en route to view these lovely new 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom apartments. Alright, so these apartments, they're located on Swansea Avenue, and that is in the Kingston area. So right off Mannings Hill Road. Well, it's actually right in between Mannings Hill Road and Red Hills Road. That is the vicinity right there. So you know it's an excellent location. Now there are 11 units in total, but only 3 remain. That means that these units are going super quickly. Now the prices start at $33.5 million, and the property features 1,300 square foot units, a gym, pool, an in-unit laundry, granite countertops. Alright, you will have ensuite bathrooms for both bedrooms. So a lot to offer in this property, and guys, trust me, you will love the living, dining and kitchen area. That's my favorite area. Now it's important for me to do a property drive up so that my viewers can get an idea and a feel of the area in which the property is located. So here, as you could see from the drive up, you have a lot of apartments, townhouses and single family homes in the area. Well established area, a lovely area to live in. Right, you can tell by this area that the properties here will hold their value, and they have. So it's a really great area. All right, so now we are on Swansea Avenue. I took a little incorrect turn, but I used the arrow to show you where you would turn if you needed to find this complex. And guys, we are here. All right, so let's take a look inside. Now these 8-foot doors open up to this lovely open concept living, dining and kitchen area, and this is a really large space. I hope you can get an understanding of how big it is from the video. Trust me, you're not seeing apartments like this right now with so much living and dining area. Look at that. And the units will come with AC units, so don't think this is just for show. You will get your AC units with the apartment units. All right, now we will step out onto our balcony, and this balcony is able to fit a small dining table and 2 chairs, right? And your lovely balcony will have a lovely view of the mountains in the Kingston and St. Andrew area. Really beautiful. So nice sliding doors, and it just allows for a lot of natural light to come right into the unit as well. Here is your half bath, which you know is excellent and really convenient for guests, so your guests will never have to go into your bedrooms to access the bathroom. And also a lot of developers now, they're placing the half bath in your in-unit laundry, but that's not the same here. You will have your half bath separate from your in-unit laundry. Now let's take a look at this magnificent kitchen. Your kitchen features granite countertops, and I just love this kitchen. Look at all the upper and lower cabinetry that you have. Oh my gosh, you also have that nice little peninsula area for, you know, you can put up like your bar stools and do like your dining and your serving right there. You do get this lovely faucet. Love this. Really nice. And this double sink. All right, so let's take a look inside your cupboards. Really beautiful and just solid cabinetry here. These are soft closing cabinets as well. And in your lower cabinetry, in those corner cabinets, you will have a lazy Susan. So you know that's excellent for storage and just an excellent use of the space as well. Really lovely. Now, did I tell you that all throughout the units you will have recessed lights? Well, you could have seen them from the video. There they are again. You will have your recessed lights, right? Porcelain tiles. And here is that in-unit laundry that we spoke about. This is also where your water heater will be located, and you will also have a laundry tub inside your in-unit laundry. So all of that will be fitted in time for the unit once it's time for purchase. This is your second bedroom, right? So this could be a guest bedroom or a kid's bedroom. Lovely windows, sliding windows. A lot of natural light comes in, and it also has an ensuite bathroom and a closet, right? So perfect for a guest bedroom or perfect for a kid's bedroom. Now guys, I want you to stay tuned all the way to the end of this video. We will be speaking with the realtor who is listing this property, and there's so much more to see with this apartment, so keep on watching. So this is the bathroom for this bedroom, and it does feature a tub, and of course you know that nice countertops and everything will be fitted in. We're just still in the construction phase, but as you know, you can't wait until everything is set in stone and finished to purchase units. By that time the units will be gone. So here's just a look at your closet space as well. And now let's go over to the master bedroom. So your master bedroom is really nice and airy. Lots of natural light coming in from all those beautiful windows. Really lovely. And these large 8-foot doors really give it a grand appeal. Here is your walk-in closet. And now here is your ensuite master bathroom. Your ensuite master bathroom will feature a shower instead of a tub, and I personally like having a shower in the master, right? And it's quite spacious. I love the tile that they chose in here. Really modern, but still like it's nice and earthy but modern. I really like this style that they chose for the bathrooms. Alright everyone, so we're here with Realtor Jodian Myrie from Remax Elite, and we're just going to answer a few questions about the property here today. Hey Jodian, how are you today?
I'm great, how are you?
I'm doing excellent.
Okay.
Can you just give us a general overview of the property today?
Alright, so this property is located by 9 Swansea Avenue, Kingston 8, and it consists of a total of 11 units, of which today we have available 3 units for sale. All 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, powder room, very spacious living and dining, and really huge kitchen. As you can see, each room has their own in-suite bathroom. There's in-unit laundry, as well the amenities for the development. We have a swimming pool around the back, and as well a gym facility. Each unit has their own water storage and their own parking, ample visitors parking, and yeah, it's a lovely development.
Excellent. So what are the benefits of this location here? We are on 9 Swansea Avenue, and that's in the Kingston 8 area.
Yes. Alright, so we are smack dab in the middle of Ready Hills Road and Mannings Hill Road, and we are surrounded by supermarkets, schools, churches. I mean, Lee's Food Fair is right around the corner, and there's Calabar High School, there's Immaculate, there's the new Shoppers Fair. You can't be short of anything. Price Mart is right up the road. You know, it is ideal. Everything is within reach.
Excellent.
And banks, Constant Spring Road, right there. So all your banking needs, everything, it's like perfect, ideal.
Yes, it truly is. Jodian, why is it important for persons to buy real estate now in this Jamaica and this hot real estate market?
There's never a better time than the present. 5 years from now, if you had the ability now to purchase real estate now, 5 years from now, can't go wrong. It's value on your money, you know. Currently, you know, the demand on the market for real estate right now is crazy. You know, right now I would say that it's currently a seller's market, based on the economy that we're in right now. And trust me, there's never a better time to invest than now.
Right now?
Right.
Yes. Is there an estimated cost for maintenance of the property as yet?
Currently, the estimated cost is $18,000. I don't think it will be passing that number. So roughly $18,000.
All right. And how can interested buyers contact you?
Okay, so I may be contacted at 876-891-6129. You can follow me on Instagram. I am jmyrie Realtor. Or you could call the Remax Elite office. We are by Suite 60 Winchester Business Center, and that's on 15 Hope Road, Kingston 10. Likewise, you could send me an email at jmyrie@remax-elite.com.jm.
All right. Thank you so much, Jodian.
Thank you for having me.
No problem.
I hope you enjoyed the view of the
Oh, it was amazing. The unit, beautiful. The kitchen, I love right here. It's just like, look on the view, like she just look nice in the kitchen, don't it? And then it just opens up into this massive living dining area. I really hope you guys can understand how big it is. Beautiful. Alright, so let's look at an exterior of the property. You do have your pool area right here, and it's a good size pool area for the size of the apartment. As I said, there are only 11 units on this complex, so it's nice and, you know, private and small, really good. Right, so along the pool area you will have like a dining area, a shower area to, you know, just wash up after using the pool, and a little bathroom facility. Alright, so let's just view the pool from one of the units that will be able to have a nice pool view. So once these persons in this unit step out onto their balcony, they will have a lovely view of the pool. Now the prices on the first floor will be 33.5 million. That's the ground floor. Then on the first floor, 35.5 million, and then on the third floor, just $37 million flat. Here is the gym or the wellness center right there above the pool area. Really nice. And to the side of the pool area, you know, you have your green areas, little areas so that you can do your barbecuing, right? So all of that will be in place. So as you know, we have to just do the construction, and that is the staircase, right? So right now you're looking at it in the midst of the construction, but it will all come together. Now here's a unit that has been customized. So this person was an early buyer and they were able to customize their unit. So along here is where you'll have the areas for water storage. So there will be water storage for the units here, and they will be located right there, and then that's the access to the gym. So all of that area around there will be built up, and you will also have green areas along that area, right? So here is the front of the apartment complex. You have your guardhouse where you know you have your security, and you can see the complex will have ample parking space. And that's the last look of the apartment complex here. Don't forget to tell me in the comment section of this video what you thought about this property. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We have more videos coming for you this week. I have another video that I'll post this week, so stay tuned and reach out to Jodian about this property. Bye guys.